I like that you mentioned ceiling fans because
Yes.
we believe our world is lacking in ceiling fans. We need more ceiling fans in our homes to keep that air moving, and that's something you guys do, I guess, do on a regular basis as well.
Yep, absolutely. We'll take care of, obviously ceiling fans, fixtures, whatever you need. We actually have a new product right now that we're doing is the Panasonic air purifier. So that's really getting a little bit more popular as well.
Great product. Talk about that product for a second.
Is that a cord and plug unit, or
Yes.
is it
Nope.
hardwired?
Nope, it is hardwired. It goes directly up into your ceiling, and it runs 24 hours a day. It's not new. Or it's been around for many, many years. It's just new to us. We're just now carrying them. It comes with an 8-year warranty from the manufacturer, and I think it's just a good time of year.
I used to do the Panasonic low zone units all the time because people would not run a fan if it was noisy, but if it was quiet, they'd run it. Can I assume this is a quiet unit?
Super quiet, and it also does not take any filters. So that's a big bonus.
Wow.
Christina Perkins, Joe Brewer from Metro Electric, we really appreciate you coming on today.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Stick around
Thanks,
more
guys.
with the Inside Outside guys right here on WJR.